What's up, future medics? The journey to medical school starts here, and I am here to guide you through it with the best MCQs and study hacks. Let's turn your hard work into success. The first MCQ is information received by different receptors of body is analyzed by A. Autonomic nervous system, B. Central nervous system, C. Parasympathetic nervous system, and D. Parasympathetic nervous system, and D. Sympathetic nervous system. So the correct option is B. Central nervous system. The next MCQ is ectoderm mainly gives rise to A. Musculoskeletal system, B. Nervous system, C. Respiratory system, and D. Cardiovascular system. So the correct option is B. Nervous system. The next MCQ is a motor nerve carries impulses from A. Spinal nerve to effector, B. Effectors to cranial nerves, C. Effectors to CNS, and D. CNS to effectors. So the correct option is D. CNS to effectors. The next MCQ is which of the following produce response? A. Effectors, B. Nerve, C. Stimulator, and D. Brain. So the correct option is A. Effectors. The next MCQ is pressure is felt by your body immediately after it is applied. This is achieved with the help of A. Mechanoreceptor, B. Thermoreceptor, C. Nociceptor, and D. Nociceptor, and D. Chemoreceptor. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is stimulus of touch, pain, cold, and heat are recognized differently because A. For each sensation, different form of nerve impulse is generated. B. Different receptors are present for detection of stimuli. C. All nerves send their impulse to the same part of brain. C and D. Each stimulus acts on different parts of body. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is pick out the pressure receptor. A. Chemoreceptor, B. Photoreceptor, C. Mechanoreceptor, and D. Thermoreceptor. So the correct option is C. Mechanoreceptor. The next MCQ is taste buds on the tongue are examples of A. Thermoreceptor, B. Pressure receptor, C. Photoreceptors, and D. Chemoreceptor. So the correct option is D. Chemoreceptor. The next MCQ is which of the following is associated with sense of touch? A. Penicillin capsules, B. Mechanoreceptor, C. Merkel disc, and D. Both B and C. So the correct option is D. Both B and C. The next MCQ is non-neuronal cells encapsulating mainly axons of peripheral neuron are A. Microglia, B. Oligodendrocytes, C. Astrocytes, and D. Schwann cell. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is myelinated single and long fiber that takes message towards the cell body is A. Dendron, B. Axon, C. Dendrite, and D. Soma. So the correct option is A. Dendron. The next MCQ is the largest number of the cell bodies of neuron are found in A. Brain, B. Spinal cord, C. Sensory organ, and D. Effector. So the correct option is A. Brain. The next MCQ is which of the following is not correct about myelin sheath? A. Composed of specialized lipid, B. Responsible for saltatory conduction, C. Conduct impulses, and D. Absent on nodes of ranure. So the correct option is C. Conduct impulses. The next MCQ is myelin sheath. A. It is found in all axon. B. Is found in all dendron. C. Speed of conduction. D. Is proteinous. So the correct option is C. Speed of conduction. The next MCQ is which one of the following are also known as dependent neuron? A. Sensory, B. Associative, C. Motor, and D. Mixed. So the correct option is C. Motor. The next MCQ is regeneration is possible in all part of neuron except A. Dendron, B. Axon, C. Dendrites, and D. Cell body. So the correct option is D. Cell body. The next MCQ is it is not true about cell body of neuron. A. Main nutritional part, B. It contains Exoplasm, C. Biosynthesis of material, and D. Regenerate axonal into dried fiber. So the correct option is B. It contains exoplasm. The next MCQ is which organelle cannot be found in synaptic knob of a neuron? A. Mitochondria, B. Ribosome, C. Secretory vesicle, and D. Nucleus. So the correct option is D. Nucleus. The next MCQ is which of the following is most abundant type of neuron in CNS? A. Sensory neuron, B. Associative neuron, C. Motor neuron, and D. Neurological neuron cells. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.